Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today we'll see how to always show bookmarks on Google Chrome. Actually, previously in the previous versions of the Chrome, the option to always show bookmarks on Chrome is in a different available option. When you click on these three dots, when you click on this browsing, here there is an option called show all bookmarks. If it doesn't work, you can just right click on the bookmarks area, and you can check this show bookmarks. So when you enable this will show always. For example, when you open a new tab on the settings or something, like here the bookmarks won't show. In order to keep these bookmarks always on, you can click on the Chrome settings by clicking on the three dots, and then at the left there is an option called appearance, and under appearance there is an option called show bookmarks tab. You can enable this. Once you enable this bookmarks tab will always be enabled and will always show you. So in this way you can actually always show the bookmarks on Google Chrome. If it helps you, please do hit a like for this video.